As promised, I thought we would continue looking at some of the hook blanks from blacksmithingblanks.com. Today, I thought we'd work on a nice little Christmas star. This should be a real simple hook, should be a pretty quick video. I've already taken the time to knock all the slag off of it so it's a nice clean hook. And then I'll start the forging process by knocking the sharp corners off the hook portion. Then we'll move on to the star. For me, the induction forge is probably the ideal way to heat this, but you can certainly use a coal forge or a gas forge, or even a torch if that's all you have. I think I'll start this with a simple bevel forged around the edge of the star. If you're interested in using these pre-cut blanks from blacksmithingblanks.com, there is a link and a coupon code down in the video description. Once again, we're using the air-powered treadle hammer kit that also came from blacksmithingblanks.com. But you can easily do these by hand at the anvil if that's what you prefer. I'm using real light blows to establish my lines here. So I got a little bit of a double strike on that one. Wonder if I can duplicate that everywhere. Well, it was a happy mistake. I actually like that better. The little curl on the end rolls away from the front side of the hook so that when you bend the hook, it comes back and is in front of the hook. Should make sense when you see it. You can also do some of this with round nose pliers or scrolling tongs if you have them. I think I'll clean that up on a cone mandrel though. That's a lot better. And of course this will need a hole in it to hang it from the wall. I'm going to countersink this for a flathead wood screw, but you're certainly welcome to use a round head screw or even a hand-forged nail if you'd rather. A brass wire brush on a small grinder or even a hand drill can really add a lot of gold highlights super fast. It's a good way to give ourselves a gold star for a job well done. Then I'll heat it up just enough to melt some wax onto it, and that should protect it and give it a little bit of shine. Well, it's a simple little decorative hook with a bit of a Christmas flair to it. On the other hand, if you live in Texas and like Texas stars, That's a nice Texas star hook, and it's suitable all year long. But in any case, I want to thank Roy and Jessica for providing the hooks. Again, there's a link in the video description with the coupon code JOHN if you'd like to buy some of these hook blanks and give them a try. You don't have to do them the way I'm doing them. This is a great opportunity to let your imagination go wild. Whatever the tools and techniques that you have available in your shop should give you excellent results. In the meantime, I hope you have time in your day to get out to your shop, make something, but stay safe, wear your safety glasses. We'll see you for the next video.